Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial in how to add company registration number on Invoice in Xero. First, log into Xero and go to your organization settings. This is where all your company info lives. To do that, click on your company name, then click on Settings. Under General, click on Organization Details. Once you scroll downwards, there's the company registration number option. All you have to do is fill it out. Then once you're done, click on Save. To check this, we'll create an invoice where we'll read the receipts to find that number. Click on Sales and then on Invoices. Once here, click on New Invoice. Here you'll be able to fill out the details for the invoice, then click on Save. So to check our number, we'll click on Preview. Then once we scroll downwards, we can see our company registration number is filled out and present. Well, this is all about it. I hope you like this video. Thanks again.